Hi, it's Jordan again with another example. Let's take a look at the development process of an objective and its corresponding set of key results and try to determine whether or not it's going to be an effective OKR. Okay, so this time we're going to imagine that you are the manager of an aging gym downtown and that it has seen several quarters of declining membership. Younger professionals in the area are choosing to just use the fitness facilities in their modern, amenity-rich apartment buildings. And longtime members are starting to notice the wear and tear on the equipment and that they might be getting a better value at gyms that have more perks. You're working hard to build a set of top-level OKRs that will solve the issue. It seems like a lot of the complaints from the members are about the condition of the equipment. So you take a look at your blank sheet of paper and you write, replace all the equipment. Okay, so let's think about it. Replacing all the gym equipment, that would certainly be a large undertaking and would represent change from where you are today, but would that actually solve the problem of declining membership? Maybe not, probably not, and it also doesn't really seem incredibly audacious or inspiring. Okay, so let's try again. We're gonna write, make our gym the best place in the city to work out. Is it meaningful? I'd say so. I mean, if we have the best place in the city to work out, then we definitely won't have any problem attracting new customers. And also by placing the focus on the quality of the experience of the customer, that's really helping us determine where we should focus our energy. Is it audacious? Well, being the best gym in the city, that's definitely something to aspire to. Is it inspiring? Totally. I mean, this can guide our actions and it could be a rallying cry for everyone from the front desk attendees to the personal trainers. Okay, so next we have to consider our key results, or how we're going to become the best place in the city to work out. Can we offer a greater range of weights? Yes, sure, that's easy enough to do, but it might only attract a certain type of customer. Maybe we could give bonuses to employees who sign up more customers. That's not a bad idea, but it kind of puts the emphasis more on sales and becomes a tactic. And what we're talking about is really focusing in on the customer experience. All right, so what about upgrading all of the cardio equipment within the next 3 months? Now we're getting somewhere. The cardio machines are the most used machines in the building, so customers will definitely notice if they've been improved. Is this key result specific and time-bound? Yes. We know there are 12 machines, so we're going to have to budget to upgrade all of them over the next quarter. Is it aggressive yet realistic? Yes, definitely. It's going to be a bit of an undertaking to replace all of those machines in one quarter, but with some creative budgeting and also maybe buying some lightly used pieces from our supplier, I think we're definitely going to be able to make it work. Is it measurable yet verifiable? Yes. There are 12 machines and they either get replaced or they don't. Good. Good objective. Good key result. And we finish out our set of key results with these. We're going to conduct a customer satisfaction survey every month for the next 3 months. And over that time, we want to see a 15% increase in customer satisfaction. We're also going to hold monthly customer appreciation events where we give away gym swag and we hold raffles for free personal training sessions. All right, there we go. A solid objective and a great set of key results to go with it. It's going to tell us where we're going and exactly how we're going to get there.